Hello YouTubers and plane lovers, here again with another unboxing and review of another aircraft. And this time, well, I already opened the box actually, but I just did. And I got this from Amazon.com. And this airplane, it's an Aerolíneas Argentinas by Skymarks. And this is a Boeing 737-800. Scale 1 to 130. I already have an Airbus by this same airline, an Airbus A330. But I decided to get this one just because I was surfing on Amazon the other day, and it was just $19, so I couldn't just let it go. And I like the Boeing 737s. I already have two by Skymarks, and they're 1 to 130 scale. But the other two that I already have are short, or they're smaller. This is my first 800 version. So let me just open the box here and show you. And this is a brand new airplane. You can see the fuselage. And like always, like I've always said, Skymarks makes the airplanes very, very detailed, and that's what I love about this this company that makes airplanes, because they do a really, really good job with the airplanes. Let me just focus here a little bit. Doesn't really want to do it. Okay. I'm missing light as well. Need more light. Okay, well, anyway. So I can tell right away it's bigger than than the other two. So here's our fuselage. And just like every model, they send a it's kind of like a menu, and this is by Skymarks, and this just tells you all the different airplanes that they have. There's the list of all the different ones that they produce. It's a lot of them. Here's our left wing, and as you can see, the wings are very, very detailed as well. Here's our right wing. Here's our engines, and just like I expect it to be, these engines spin when you blow in them. So very, very cool. Another very cool thing that Skymarks do. There it goes. See, these engines are very, very detailed. On both sides they have the airline logo, as you can see. These engines are very, very, very cool. I like what Skymarks, I like what they do with their airplanes. That's one of the reasons I like it. Even though they're made out of plastic, but well, it's hard plastic, but very, very detailed. I have other different models in different scales. I have I have about 4 of Gemini jets, but they're 1 to 400 scale, and they're really small, and they're very, very detailed as well. I like them. Something more different, and I have one by Hogan Wings. I have another one by Starjets, and I have another one by Jetix. The Jetix one, it's die-cast metal, and when I received it, I was very happy and very excited because of how the plane was built. It had all the antennas, it had the landing gear. I mean, it was just perfect. And it's a very heavy model. In fact, I have a video that I made when I got it. You can search it up on my channel. But the front landing gear fell off, and I don't even know where it fell off. You know, once I get my models, I'll try to put them together and just put them on display here at my house. And I don't know what happened to that one. I didn't even realize that the front landing gear was gone. So, you know, that was disappointed. Not kind of, very, very disappointed. Disappointing. And but oh well. But I mean, other than that, I mean, the model still there, and very, very heavy, very detailed as well. But this Skymarks are very detailed as well. They're very, very easy to put together. They're snap-on airplanes. All you have to do is just apply a little bit of pressure, not a lot, because you don't want to break your wings. And even though, you know, they're very strong, the airplane is very, very strong. Let's go ahead and put our engines. You know, just all you gotta do is just apply a little pressure on this, and just position them and apply pressure, and that's all you have to do when you're putting these things together. You know, I think the color of the airplane is very nice. I love the winglets. The winglets are very, very nice as well. So here you have it. Aerolíneas, Argentinas, and every Skymarks comes in with the display stand. Very nice. And another thing about this airlines, or this Skymarks, is that on the front of the stand it tells you the airline, and this is of course a SkyTeam operated airline, and it tells you the description of the airplane, which is a Boeing 737-800, scale 1 to 130. So that's our plane. Takes about 5 minutes to put it together and be able to put it on. Not very hard to do, very easy. Now I'm gonna do an up close on this airplane, just to show you how detailed it is. You see that this stripe, silver stripe. I mean, it's just perfect. We have our cabin. We have our little temperature and speed and all those antennas right on the right next to the nose. And then we have our Argentinian flag. These airplanes are so detailed. You can see the windshield wipers on there. Here's more details. I hadn't already showed you guys the logos on the engines, the inside of the engines as well. Can't really see. It's a black fan. These winglets are very detailed. The top of the wings are not as detailed as the actual airplanes, you know, but I think they do a very good job. I mean, for $19, here's our registration number as well, the description of the airplane, Argentina. So both sides. That thing right there reads, I can't even read it. I need my glasses. See the cargo door. Here's another cargo door. And then we have the Sky Team logo on this side, right on top of the Argentinian flag. Very, very happy with my purchase, with my Boeing 737. Doesn't want to focus. There you go. So I really recommend it. It's a very nice airplane. Very, very nice, and I do recommend it for you to put it on your to add to your collection. Now I'm gonna measure it because a lot of people ask me the measurements on it, and this airplane from the table surface to the top, it's let's see, 6 inches. Once you put it on the stand, as you can see, it's 6 inches. And it is from winglet to winglet, it's 11.5 inches, and it is from the nose all the way to the tail, 12 inches. So like I said, this these airlines, or these Skymarks models, are very, very detailed. So it's 12 inches long, 11.5 of wingspan and wingspan. Then it goes up to 6 inches from the surface to the nose, to the top of the cabin. So there you guys have it. Comment, subscribe, like, dislike, and I hope that this helps for you to decide whether or not to get this airplane. In my opinion, I don't regret it at all. You need to get it. It's a must-have in your collection. I mean, this airplane is just beautiful. And watch me guys later.